Hi friends, you need a perfect website for your business. And if you want to make a website for hostel booking, hotel booking, bed booking, guest house booking, this video is for you. In this video, I have a great WordPress theme called Bellyview, and this is a specialized theme for hotel, bed and breakfast booking with calendar theme. It is a great theme for hospitality and it comes with booking management system, and it is perfect for your hotel or vacation rental. It includes full hotel and vacation rental booking system, availability calendar, payments through commerce and all such things. So theme has been developed by Themeovation, and the original developer for the Bellyview WordPress theme being the Themeovation, and Themeovation are Power Elite author. The theme actually come into existence in 2015, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. So you can consider this theme for your upcoming website project, as it is compatible with Elementor, Elementor Pro and WordPress latest version, along with the all features that you need for making a booking website, that is basically in hospitality. If we talk about the demo website, it comes with multiple pre-made demo websites, and these are the demo websites: hotel, chalet, apartments, hotel 2, hostel, tiny home, and so there are many choices. I am going to give a link in the description of this video where you can get all these details along with the theme and hosting plans. So you just need to follow the link given in the description. And in this video we are going to install Bellyview WordPress theme. We will import a demo content and create a website like any of these. So this any can be our target website, and you can see the stunning look of demo websites. And we will also preview the theme options and the basic customization options, so that you may decide about the Bellyview WordPress theme. And let us further go through the demo websites, and this is being one of the demo website made with Bellyview WordPress theme, and it has all the great look and functionality that you need at your website. And if we talk about the apartments, this is being the apartments demo of the theme, and it is really great. Similarly, this is being the booking calendar based website, and it has all the great functionality that you need for availability search and all such options. So it is a great theme, of course, and in this video we will explore more about this theme. So let us begin the installation first. I have a fresh installation of WordPress, and it is running 2021 default WordPress theme on the latest version of WordPress, that is 5.8.2. I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have the theme pack itself. PhD has been given, so download link is here. So if you need the PhD files, you can download from the link. Licensing, documentation, demo content has been given separately, so in the text format. And Revolution Insider, what is here we can check and view Revolution Insider. So there are some example, and examples has been given in the Dropbox. I believe it will work just in case if we need to import the demo content and the manually, but yes, we will try to install it with the pre-available WordPress themes options. So let us begin the installation. To install the theme, we have to be in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose Bellyview-theme.zip file and open it. Install now, and it may take some time depending upon your server capacity. So you can even upload the theme pack directly to your WP content themes folder or using the file manager or FTP. so it is up to you, but I have chosen to upload the theme using the WordPress interface. It is the easiest method. So now the theme has been uploaded and we can go to the theme page, and on the theme page we have Value View as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Value View version 3.5. Value View is a hotel and bed and breakfast WordPress theme. Okay, so let us activate it. Upon activation, we got landed on the welcome page. This is saying telling about the setup guide. So import demo content and activate required plugins, easy fixes, and basic information about the theme. This is being the welcome page of Value View, and let us launch the setup, and we will also explore other options like plugins, and these plugins need to be installed, but we can check with the setup, and I'm launching the setup now. Let us see what happens. And okay, so it is being a theme setup wizard, and we will go with this wizard. It is being the easiest method to install the theme, and I hope it will work. Let us go. And okay, so this is for customization support. If you like the option, make modification of theme files in a safe environment without affecting the original. Having a setup guide, market review, continue to proceed. So we can proceed with this, and nice work, ready to continue. Let us go. And this screen is showing what plugins are required for this theme. So I'll tell you something about the available plugins. This theme uses Elementor page builder, so it is of course a great page builder nowadays. Envato Market is here. Formidable Forms is for contact forms. Hotel Booking System is for booking management system. Kirki is a framework for WordPress themes. This is a great combination of Elementor and Kirki. Both works very fine technically. Option trays for setting up options on the theme. Page Builder Widget Pack is something additional, and Simple Page Ordering. This is maybe an add-on for the booking and the related system. So we can continue to install the plugins first, and all plugins are required. So we are simply clicking on the continue, and the screen will tell us what is going on. And Elementor is installed, activated successfully. Similarly, Envato Market is going on, and Envato Market successfully installed. Formidable Forms, it is successfully installed. Hotel Booking is going on, and it is successfully installed. So it all depends on your internet speed and the server capacity. So consider taking the better hosting plan with the theme pack, and you can avail this by the following the link given in the description of this video. And yes, without a perfect hosting plan you cannot make your website successful. So it should be complete in all respects. All technology and requirements should be fulfilled before you go for installing the theme. So it is very important for running a successful website. You need to have a perfect environment to install the theme and WordPress itself. So now you can see all the plugins has been installed successfully, and here is an screen which demo you will like to install, and you can always customize your page layout and style setting from within the WordPress. After setup, choose your favorite, and so these are the options, and we can choose here, and we can again choose from here. In fact, so demos, what we want to have. Hotel is here, chalet and apartments. So for me, I wish to show you the hostel pre-made website, because it has the form system and the booking system. It is more clear on this theme. However, beach house and the countryside is also having the same feature, but I would like to choose the hostel. So let me check if hostel is available. Yes, hostel is here. So I will choose the hostel. However, you can choose anyone as per your requirement and choice, and all choices are here, and you can explore the pre-made websites by following the link given in the description. I am adding all the information in a single link, so just follow the link in the description. And also I will like to request you, if you are coming to this channel at very first time, you may please subscribe this channel. I am adding wonderful videos, I believe, for you, and important plugins and features, customization features like things on this channel, so you may keep getting the updates about the latest videos. So please subscribe this channel. It also helps me in promoting my channel itself. So okay, so let us proceed towards the installation of hostel demo, and I have selected this hostel one, and I am continuing to next. So okay, so this is the screen, and this is a comprehensive screen. In fact, it is asking what we actually want to have as demo. So as it is being a very first installation and it is clean website, so we don't have anything at our website as of now, so we can consider to import all the elements, all the contents, and here we can even select what we don't want to import as demo on the demo website. So it is up to you, but to feature and showcase, I will import the complete content here, and all has been selected, all has been checked by default, and I am continuing this. So media files are the heaviest files, which takes time always while importing the demo content, and we have to be with our due patience on this page without refreshing this page or hitting the back button, because it may take time up to 5 or 6 minutes as I calculate, and it all depends on your internet speed, your server capacity, the connection with the developer server, and all such factors are affecting this screen. I am in the demo import process, so you have to wait until you get any message on the screen. Meanwhile, if you want to check whether the demo import is going well or not, so we can simply open the media library in another tab, and if we are getting the media items, because media, yes, so we are getting the media items, and as of now 38 media items we have received from the demo content. And yes, so media files has been successfully completed: blog post, pages, accommodation types and custom CSS, my templates, product, seasons, rates, services, accommodations, reserved accommodation. Okay, so Elementor header and footer blocks, navigation, so all is success as of now. Widgets and default settings and forms. So it is great that we have received each and everything from the demo, and yes, so it is almost done, and we have to upload the logo, menu, header, colors, typography, so all this can be set, and the theme customization option. So we will proceed to next, and support is fine, so agree and continue. So it is ready, so demo import got successful. So it is now to take a look of our website. Yes, the great website is here with all the functionality and features, so it is great, and the installation was really smooth, and we got all the pages. So room listings are here, so we can check the room listings as well. And yeah, as you can see, it is it is running very fast. The speed is really wonderful, and it can be available for testing, and so all functions are well, and we can check the inner pages as well. So the selected demo is completed here, and we have complete website here, and you can see the stunning and perfect look, and the links are also here. So social media and book now option is also here. So week now is to be configured further from the booking page. Okay, So it is all here, and we have two options in fact in this demo. Hostel 2 is also here. So okay, so this is comparatively more good. And yes, so it has, so let us check what we have received in the demo. So all function and functionalities is working fine, and installation remained successful for the Valley View WordPress theme. And we have 38 media items in the demo import, and we will check the pages. So 40 pages have been supplied in the demo. So all pages are published, so you can use these pages for your website as well. Just put your own content. And also I will like to say, you just delete those pages which you are not going to use at your website. Don't leave the page unattended or unlinked on your installation. It is going to put a bad impact on the SEO side, and your website will be crawled on the Google and other search engine with these demo pages, which is not good. So the pages which you are going to use, just keep those pages and delete rest of the pages. So it is very important tip. So now we have 40 pages, and we can check the posts as well, and it is 14 posts here. And now since the installation is successful and we have received all the items and the demo content, I will show you what options we received additionally in addition to the WordPress with the Valley View WordPress theme. So first of all, we will check the Valley View tab and theme setup. We have already used plugins and template library, we can check. So we have already selected our template, and you can also select your own. Formatable is for making forms, and this is formatable, and I'm showing you. If so, these are the forms that has been used on website, or you can add new forms or edit the existing ones which are being used at your website. And you can also set up the SMTP. It is very important. So you need to install WP Mail SMTP, just in case if your default PHP mail system is not working. You can install this plugin and check the delivery of emails, because the booking system and booking forms works with the mail system. I mean, the booker receives mail and the mailing system should work well. So it is very important setting in the formatable, which is available. And now this is the accommodation. So this is for deciding the accommodation type, and we can create the accommodation type, and I'll show you how it looks first, and I'll even show you how to edit the existing ones. This is the room style 5, and this is the front view, and you can see the booking form is here. This is very important form for accommodation booking, and you can keep a track of all this booking. And this is the check availability function, and all such things are here. So it is basically a booking website. So you can even edit the existing accommodation types for making your own. It can be edited with the Elementor, and it uses Elementor page builder itself. So it is very simple, and it is just like editing the page, and you can edit the page contents as wherever you want. Just keep in mind, you have to use the same length text contents as given in the demo and the same dimension image, so that the integrity and design of your website remains intact, and you may maintain the integrity of the website. Okay, wonderful. So accommodation system is here, and there are multiple options in the accommodation. So add accommodation type, category, tags, amenities, attributes, season. So you can use all these features as you want to display on your page. So it is basically for customization feature of single accommodation and adding the accommodation type. Booking is another very important feature that has been added or available in this form. So this is for adding bookings, and once you will receive the booking, you will get your detail here. The booking details will be displayed here on this tab, so you have to wait until you get the very first booking. And you can also create new bookings from here, and you can simply add the bookings if you get any offline bookings. So accommodation type you can select, adults you can select, and children you can select, and make a booking. So if it is available, so it will definitely work. And so no accommodation found, so it is connected to accommodation, and availability can be mapped accordingly. So you have to explore all these things, so features are available. And next is Elementor appearance based, so all things are as in common as in WordPress, and rest we can check where to customize the theme. I believe theme setup we have already used, and yes, so I believe theme basic customization can be done in the customize section, because I cannot see any additional tab. So this is being the theme options, so this is what I am looking for. And this is being the settings, and Elementor header and footer builder will work here. So it is a different tab, so Elementor header and footer builder, and extended header and footer. So you can use your logo or extended with extended header and footer and all such things. So you can upload logo from here, alternative logo, and you can even use the Elementor header and footer builder. So these are the theme options. You can change the color of theme, accent colors and all, typography, blog, accommodation and booking, calendar styling is enabled, or category header position. And so there are some settings available for booking and accommodation area. Slider is here, so autoplay and miscellaneous setting has been given, so button style and all widgets are here. So these are the very basic setting, and these are enough setting I believe to handle your website. And again I will go back to the customize to show you rest of the option. So theme option I have shown you, site identity, colors, header image, background image. So these are the basic settings that you can use for customizing your website. So it is very simple, and the front page and the rest of page can be edited with the Elementor page builder itself. And also you, so just in case if you want to edit the contents of this page, just open the page and click on edit with Elementor, and you shall be able to edit the content of the page. So if you are new in Elementor, you may take a backup of page using any duplicator plugin, and you can also save this page as a template for further use or for restoring the backup, just in case if you made any mistake. So it is very important if you are new, and just click on the area which you want to edit, and you can edit the text content. So I will recall you about the images. You have to use the same dimension image that has been used in the demo website to maintain the design and style of the website. So it is fine, and I believe I have shown you each and everything about this theme, that is Valley View WordPress theme, and the installation remained successful, and you seen the options that are available. And I believe these options are fine option and enough option for running a booking website. So this is our website that we made in this video, and it is working fine. So I can conclude you can choose this theme without any doubt, and just follow the link for rest of the details. And let us meet in another video in which I am going to bring wonderful WordPress theme, plugin and utilities for you. And I believe you are going to make a good website using this theme. Keep building, keep watching. Thank you.